Morning guys, this is a new blog. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine. So today in this blog I want to show you how to activate the VOGO scooter. Today at this time I am in Bangalore and I am going to Tumkur for a reason, for a work. So for that I don't have my bike, so I'll rent a scooter, and that's from the VOGO app. So I'll show you how to unlock. So here in the left you can see I am going to unlock the VOGO app. First you have to go to Play Store and just write VOGO. After you write that, you just have to wait to install the app, and after opening the app you need to see at what points the scooter you have. If you want to book a scooter, you have to go to the starting point or the pickup point and you have to book the scooter. So after confirming the pickup point and the scooter, you have to pay the rent for 1 day, for 2 days, for 3 days, and after that you have to pay the money, and then you have to go to the starting point, and after that you have to unlock your scooter with the code scanner. This barcode is selected on the scooter on the right hand, and you have to put your phone code scanner, then the scooter will get unlocked. So this is how my scooter is unlocked last day, and today I am off to Tumkur. So this is the scooter. You see the Karnataka registration, and that's VOGO, VOGO. I'll show you how to open that. And here comes my phone. I'll type VOGO, VO. This app is already installed. What I'll do, I'll unlock. See how it's unlocking. Yeah, it's done. So now if you press this button, it'll start. And if you want to stop the vehicle, same, come to this way and you see it's locked, it will stop. So this is the scooter, this is the bar scanner, and I am on my way to Tumkur. So this is the Chennai road. From here if you go, you will go to Chennai on that side, on the back side, and here I am going inside the Bangalore city. It's called the Nice Road. Now from here I will go to Electronic City, and from there the Nice Road starts. So that's me with the helmet, and that's the VOGO scooter. I'm really enjoying Bangalore now. Here comes the Electronic City flyover on the left. See, this thing is made for the metro. Everything has been changed in Bangalore. So this is the toll for Electronic City flyover. And I'm standing in the Bangalore traffic. Now it's on and I'm moving. See, on the top it's written on the left. If you take it, go to Bannergatta, Mysore Road and Tumkur Road. So this is a circle. I'll tell you when I go to Nice Road. So this is the entry gate for the Nice Road. And you see the first toll. So this is the first toll, and this is my VOGO scooter. So what an expressway to bypass. I hope you will enjoy this video, really. Tumkur is around 80 rupees, so 100 rupees note is with me. Yeah, I am in after so many years. Greenfield or brownfield, I don't know, but it is an access control expressway so that no vehicle come inside from anywhere. So these are all cutouts from where you can't enter or you can't exit. The Tumkur Road is around 40 kilometers from here, and these are the overhead bridges. Just see, so it's written no stopping on the highway. And in case of emergency, you can contact these numbers. Have an accident or puncture, something like that. I can read. It's Tumkur, 39 kilometers from here. Not Tumkur, the Tumkur Road. So it's very nice. It's a different experience which I used to experience long back, around 5 to 6 years back. And now, just think about that. This city has an expressway within the city. People can use it nicely. So much of huge traffic you can bypass through this road.
This is the diversion. First time I am seeing this. I think the road is getting new. For that, the diversion is there. So this is the first exit for the Bannergatta Road. Total 5 to 6 exits are there. Every exit I'll show you how it connects the city. Meenakshi Mall and all these things are here only. Bannergatta National Park is here only. So I am going straight now. Let's go towards the next exit point. Let's see the awesome landscape here. I have just crossed the Bannergatta Road section and here with my VOGO scooter. And I am on my way to Kanakapura Road. Then I'll cross the Mysore Road and ultimately I'll reach Tumkur Road. So here comes the outlet for the Kanakapura Road. See on the left, if you go, it will go to Kanakapura Road. On Kanakapura Road, it's very famous just because Sri Ravi Shankar's ashram is there. We have visited a lot of times and I believe it's just due to visit once more. So this is the outlet. This is the outlet. See, that's going Kanakapura Road. If you turn right from there, you will go to Bangalore. So now you can understand how it follows the city. It's like a circle around the city. And from here you can re-enter into the nice road if you're coming from Kanakapura Road. See, that's the thing. So I'm continuing on my way at a speed of 60 km per hour just because I don't know that what is the oil level and all. And see, the service sign is on. So I'm really very scared. I don't want to break down the scooter in the middle of my journey. So everything is under process, but see, the speed is continuous. There is diversion, but the cars are on the go at a nice speed. Here we have reached the third exit. I think this is the exit for the Magadi Road or I forgot. And this is the exit for the HOSEKAREHALLI Outer Ring Road. Fourth exit for the Mysore Road. See the fourth exit. Total 4 exits I have shown till now. That I think is for the metro. It's connecting the Mysore Road also. Same improving. Same for the overhead metro. So here comes the last exit. Mysore Road exit. The toll bill they have given me, and it was around 80 rupees. 2 kilometers was 40. So I hope you enjoyed this nice road experience. This was my toll bill. Exit to Tumkur Road, and the date is mentioned here. Two-wheeler is rupees 80, and this is the code scanner. See, my bike is also mentioned here. Which bike is going? It's really very nice. You enjoyed the VOGO experience with the nice road of Bangalore with circles around the city. Now I'll go to Tumkur. I'll have some work, then I'll go back. So total 6 exits are there of nice road, and this is the last exit. Total kilometers around 45 to 46 kilometers from exit to entry. And there is the VOGO scooter with the code scanner. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. See you in the next one. So now I have reached, and now I will end the ride. See, end ride, end my ride. Yeah, it's done. See, package fare is 585. Penalty is 185. Why? Amount to be refunded. আবার পেনাল্টির নিচে দেখো পেনাল্টি